Finally, my bicycle just arrived here in Korea and I'm about to start unboxing after so many struggles of bringing this bicycle from the Philippines. Touchdown Korea. It's very smooth, right? I booked this through Klook, so pick me up here at the airport with my luggage.
Welcome to Korea. 안녕하세요.
Simulan na natin ang unboxing. Yeah, I'm finally gonna unbox my bicycle fresh from the airport. Medyo struggle is real lang talaga because it's so heavy and I pack all my bags in here. First thing I did is to remove all the foam. So I put some foam to protect my frame, although marami naman na talaga siyang gasgas. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed. This is just my second time to assemble it on my own, so let's see. And to make sure that everything is secure, I put all my parts in some Ziploc. I'm using Shimano Pro Tools while assembling my bike, so make sure to check them out. They're available in Neo Sigma. I also packed some of my bicycle cleaning tools. First things first, I put the headset, so I put my handlebar back to my frame. To make sure that everything is secure, I put all my parts in some Ziploc. Ayan, since tinanggal ko rin yung QR code, since I removed my skiver on my wheel set, I'm putting it back. Ito na yung pinaglaban kong seat post na sobrang mahal para lang matanggal siya. And yeah, meron na tayong seat post ulit. Thank you so much sa Maginhawa Cyclery for sponsoring this. Finally put my seat post back after so many struggles of removing this. So you need to remove your seat post in order to box your bicycle. And I just have to tighten it, and now it's time to put my accessories. I also have a rear rack. I cannot put it inside my box, so I have to remove it. Now I have to put it back. And I just have to tighten it, and now it's time to put my accessories. So ayan, pagkatapos na nilagay ko na yung aking phone mount, camera mount, at dito naglalagay na ako ng mga bags. So importante na tanggalin nyo muna yung mga bags at para hindi siya masira sa eroplano. I first put my handlebar bag, frame bag, and now I'm slowly putting all my frame bags and my other accessories for my bike. This is my Ortlieb handlebar bag. So this is where I'm gonna be putting my camera gears. And this is my front pannier. Kung nagtatanong ba kayo kung paano yung process para madala dito yung bicycle from other country, I made a separate video about this. Yeah, so finally I made it. It took me 2 hours to assemble this bicycle. I call it Bess because wala pa rin siyang pangalan until now. She doesn't have a name. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a separate review of my bags and all the other stuff that I'm gonna be bringing on this trip for I don't know how many months. So this ends my unboxing of my previous bicycle that I'm gonna be using for this bike touring going to Japan. So yeah, hopefully you can stay tuned on the next one. See ya, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video for more adventures. Bye!